ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and make you my lady. Girl, you will make.
Hey y'all! So today I'm going to show you how I made this DIY flower wall with only supplies from the Dollar Tree for $32. Let's get started. So I visited my local Dollar Tree, as you can see. Oh, these are so pretty. Dang, it looks like everybody got to these already. But I do like the pink though. Okay, so I found another aisle. I do see a lot more options to choose from. I think I'm gonna grab some reds, whites, pinks, hot pinks. Oh my god, those are gorgeous. Okay, so on over to the next aisle. I'm gonna get my poster board. Let's see here. I'll grab this one. Okay, and then our super glue. Oh my gosh, these are gonna look so pretty. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm sorry, but yeah, I have all my stuff. I'm just in the checkout line, as you can see. Oh, I know the cashier hates me. Girl, I am so sorry. Alrighty, I will show you guys what the grand total is here in a bit. Alright, so we have our poster board, which was $1. Our 30 assorted flowers, which was $30, and our super glue, which was $1. And I grabbed a mechanical pencil that I had laying around, but the grand total was $32. Okay, so next you're gonna start pulling the heads off the flowers. Be sure that the green part is still attached to them because you don't wanna just pull the petals off. So make sure it's still attached. And you're gonna wanna mix it up a little bit. So add the pink in there, add some fuchsia, add some white. That way you can map it out and see what pattern that you want. So yeah, just be sure to pull all those off. And after you pull all of those off, don't immediately throw away your stems because we're going to use those leaves that you see a little bit later on. So just put them to the side for now. We'll get back to them later. And then I'm going to take out my super glue. It has a little cap and then it has an applicator top. So you're going to screw that off and then add the applicator onto the little mini tube. It should look like that once you're done. And then I'm going to take my mechanical pencil and start poking holes in my poster board. Now it's not huge holes and it's not all the way through, so it'll just make that tiny little pop sound, and it's small enough to where you can stick the bottom of the stem of the flower right in those holes. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, so I'm not going to glue anything down yet. I'm just going to pop them in and see what pattern that I want my flowers to go in. So like I said before, we're going to mix it up. We're going to put some hot pink, some light pink, some white in there. And once you figured out what pattern that you want to go in, you're going to put a small dollop of super glue around the corners of that hole. And then you're going to pop it right back on in. And since we put our green leaves to the side, I'm going to use some of those as well. You don't have to use them. I just prefer to use it since I have a green backdrop. So I'm going to pop some of those in there as well. And just keep following that method until your poster board is full. Just a friendly little reminder, don't forget to mix it up a little bit. I have my hot pinks, my light pinks, my whites in there as well. You can kind of see the effect that it gives once all of them are mixed in together, whereas it's like, you know, just one shade of pink. So I was sure to mix those in together. I kind of wish I would have got like 2 more white bouquets, but that's fine. I spread it out. But yeah, you can kind of see the effect that it's giving. And it's giving what it's supposed to give. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm excited. Y'all look. Bam. Look at that pattern. Are you kidding? Ooh, this is so so gorgeous. Look at the pattern. The pinks, the whites, the leaves. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Oh my gosh. Okay. But yeah, this is how it turned out. Oh my God. Listen, these pictures gonna be so bomb, so fire. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Oh my God. That's all I have for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.